we can go to next presentation.
Yes.
So
Okay.
there is one more presentation is there, sir, like eNest 132.
Okay.
Uh, so I request Saloni to start with the presentation.
Chetan,
May share the
Yes, sir. Yes,
key
ma'am.
poster of 130.
but 132 yesterday over, pa.
No, ma'am. Actually, it was
madam,
there, but
yesterday
she couldn't join. So,
Due
Kalirajan
to
sir told,
connectivity problem.
yeah, yeah.
connectivity
So
problem.
Kalirajan
So
sir told
give
to
one
take
more
today.
chance on today.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Saloni, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Lonila Lauri, and I am the student of Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Science. Today, the topic of my presentation is vaccine is a boon in COVID-19. So now I am going to talk about vaccine. But before, it is necessary to know about what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease caused by coronavirus, which is also known as SARS-CoV-2. The term corona came out from the cloven-like structure of the virus. It is also known as spike protein. The virus, with the help of spike protein, introduced into the human body and cause infections. There are several vaccines which work against the COVID-19, but messenger RNA vaccine is the first vaccine which is authorized by the United States. When messenger vaccine introduced into the human body, uh, it uh, uh, make a harmless spike protein which protect us from the corona infection. National regulatory authority have been assigned 15 COVID-19 vaccines during this pandemic. The RNA vaccines are Pfizer, Biotech, and Moderna. When we talk about the Pfizer and Moderna, it is a specific type of vaccine required it's a cool temperature and special transportation. The second shot of Pfizer taken after the 21 days of first shot, and the second shot of Moderna take after the 28 days of the first shot. When we talk about the adenovirus vector vaccine, it is Oxford, AstraZeneca, and Johnson and Johnson, Sputnik V, Sputnik Light, and Convidia. Oxford AstraZeneca is a Covishield manufactured by Serum Institute of India. The second dose of Covishield taken after the 4 week of first dose. When we talk about the inactivated virus vaccine, it is Covaxin and Sinopharm SSIBP and Sinopharm WIBP and QX COVID in. Covaxin is manufactured by the Bharat Biotech, and the second dose of Covaxin taken after the 4 week of first shot. When we talk about the protein subunit vaccine, it is Epivac Corona and RBD Dimer. So now I'm going to talk about why COVID-19 vaccine is important. So of course, during this pandemic, vaccinated people are more safe compared to non-vaccinated people. But we can't say that we are completely safe after vaccination. But it reduces the chance of infection according to data compared to non-vaccinated people. So during this pandemic, vaccine is most important. So key things which is know about before vaccination. Vaccine is of course cause safety and protective us against the COVID-19. But after vaccination, some side effects may occur. It may be headache, fever, fatigue, and body pain, and pain at the site of injection also occur. But some people don't have any side effect. Does not mean the body does not respond against the COVID-19 vaccine. It is very according person to person. Um, the conclusion of my e-poster is that vaccine is another protective layer which protect us from the COVID-19. But after the vaccination, we may continue wearing the mask, sanitize properly, sanitize your hand, and make social distancing and avoiding crowding, and make indoor ventilations, and stay home. Thank you, sir. Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes,
You are
Saloni.
audible.
Thank you. Thank you for your presentation. So there are some consequences are coming. So, for example, 2 doses generally been advised right now.
Yes, sir.
So, 2 doses, either it is of
Yes, sir.
Covaxin or Covishield, 2 doses are being advised.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nowadays,
Just,
okay. So, for example, if I take first dose of Covishield, then second dose if I take Covaxin, is there any problem?
yes, sir. According to some data, which vaccine we take first time, it is necessary to take second vaccine of the same brand.
But nowadays, in news or in channels, somewhere people are advertising that it won't produce much difference. So there won't be any harm. You can go ahead. Okay.
I am not listening.
Acha, you never heard or you never come across.
I don't know what are you saying.
Pardon? You didn't come across this kind of statements or this kind of news?
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So as per your this thing, we should not give, right? So same kind or same type of vaccine only we need to give in 2 doses. That's what you are thinking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on what basis that interval between 2 doses are determined? Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. Sir, after vaccination, vaccine take approx 2 weeks to make the immune make it stronger. So it's depend upon the vaccine. According how many days second vaccine.
That is what my question.
What, sir?
Same thing only I am asking you. On what basis the interval between 2 doses are determined?
Sir, it is based on the developed immunity against the COVID-19. So second dose is more effective compared to first. That's the reason. I think so.
Okay, so your answer is not clear. I am asking how generally we will determine the interval. Earlier they told 28 days, then it has been shifted to 45 days. So likewise, it's keep on changing, right? The interval between first dose and second dose. So my question is pertaining to that. If you have any idea,
Your word is not clear. So please
pardon?
repeat.
I am asking what
Yes,
is
sir.
the base of determining the dose interval between first dose and second dose? So initially in India, you can take our as an example. Initially, when it was started, at that time the duration or the difference between first dose and second dose will be of 28 days. Then later on, it has been shifted to 45 days. Okay, now again further it has been shifted. So what is the reason why are
Sir, I am unable to understand the question, sir.
okay? Leave it there. So that's all from my part. So others can take it.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Actually, previously people were telling that first dose, the time duration from first dose to second dose is 4 weeks, later on 8 weeks. Nowadays, the people are telling 12 weeks, that is around 3 months. The reason behind is if you are giving proper incubation period up to 12 weeks means that the patient or the person may get enough number of antibodies uh, leads to get very good defense mechanism against coronavirus. It is not a wrong myth. It's proved by WHO by way of research. So different kind of people may say that due to unavailability of vaccines, the people are telling that from 4 weeks to 8 to 12. Not like that. That's a proven one. So we are giving proper enough period of time. That is from 8 weeks to 12 weeks is the sufficient period and necessary period to get the person to develop enough amount of antibodies against the coronavirus. That might be the correct reason. I hope so. And also, can you tell me that what's the correct pattern of treatment if the person is suffering with coronavirus as per WHO, madam?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what's the correct pattern of treatment as per WHO guidelines if he or she is suffering with coronavirus?
Who is suffering from coronavirus?
Ah,
Sir, your question is that what is the time of vaccination for the patient?
no, correct pattern of treatment as per WHO guidelines. If the person suffering with COVID-19 positive,
Sir, according to WHO, maybe in India generally we give the medicine like antibiotic and monosaf, Limsi, and
okay, tell
and
me is correct advice for
erythromycin.
who undertake or to consume remdesivir antiviral drug. Is it advisable as per WHO?
I don't
Okay, let me
understand.
go through the things and get the answer for this kind of questions. Okay, madam.
Hello. Okay. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me out of Covishield and Covaxin, which one gives the major side effects?
Covishield show major side effects compared to Covaxin, according to data which I did.
Can you tell me what may be the reason behind that?
Covishield is more effective to against the COVID-19, but sir, I think so. It is it show more side effect due to because it is more is make more strong immunity compared to Covaxin. It is based on immunity.
Okay, I'm over with it. Organizers, is there any candidate now?
Madam, what's your poster number?
Sir,
Sir, ENAC
132, sir.
132. Okay.
Yes, sir.
132. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Saloni.
Thank you, sir.
Bits Pilani. So thank you everyone for accepting our invitation and your presence today. So and I also thank all the organizing team and all the participants. So we'll continue in the next day. Tomorrow the next set of presentation will be there. So thank you everyone. So kindly all the evaluators will consolidate the marks and send by mail.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you. Thanks a lot for your.
Also,
Yeah. Myself, Dr. V.
good
Ganesan,
evening, Ganesan, sir.
Yep. Heartfelt thanks to all the co-evaluators, Dr. Kalirajan sir, Dr. Kiran sir from Nasik, Dr. Priyasan sir from Bits Planning. It's a wonderful experience. And also, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the organizers who have given the opportunity to be evaluated during this COVID-19 situation. And also, I extend a warm wishes to all the participants to take nice initiative towards research or pharmacy session for this field. Thanks for everyone for this good time.
Okay, thank you, Mugesh sir. Thank you, Kiran sir, and thank you, Ganesan sir, for joining with us and evaluating all the e-posters.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot for giving us an opportunity. Have a nice day. Good night. Thank you, Vikram sir. Thank you, Kalirajan sir. Thank you, Patil sir. Thank you, Ganesan sir. Everyone. Have a
Yeah,
nice
thank you
day.
so much.
Yeah, good night. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.